Shalom, brothers and sisters. Find it very amusing when you meet people. When I meet people, and I tell them my name, you know, they want to make sure they know. They're like, how do you say it? Because it's not, you know, you pronounce it differently. Because I'm from Argentina, so they want to pronounce it the way I'm sharing with them, right? And then, so, you know, but maybe people don't know that pronouncing the name of our Messiah the way he gave it to his people, instead of, you know, not pronouncing it at all by by replacing it. And that's one of the things a lot of people don't know. I know a lot of people do, but obviously I do. that it's been concealed on purpose. So that we could search it out. And he's revealing it to us in these days. Yahushua HaMashiach is the blessing of all.